अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तो आज की वीडियो में हम एक्सेल के रिलेटेड बात करेंगे। तो मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सेल की ऐप डाउनलोड कर ली है। आप इसे एप्पल स्टोर या प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो इसे ओपन करते हैं। So here is the app open. We can zoom into unlimited. Actually, now take a look. There are some rows and some columns. This is the serial number and name of officials, means to say you can type any official name or your name here. Then it comes to gender, then it comes to CNSE, which means the identity card, then name of department, then designation with place of posting, then BPS, which means to scale, then qualification, then date of retirement, then contact number of office, contact number of mobile. This is some basic performa of election duty 2022. As you can see, Performa election duty 2022. So in the Performa of election duty, these are the requirements: name of officers, gender, CNSE, and all other stuff. We can type here 1. This is how you can change your keyboard layout by clicking on that. This icon will be used to replace. So I will type here 1. Now comes to name of, for example, the name of officials is Ali. Then comes to gender we have to type male, or simply if there is something low space type or something like you don't want to put extra stuff, you can simply type M. Then on the CNSE you have to type original CNSE here. Then comes to name of department. H building. Now comes to this part, designation with place of posting. For example, if the person is moving to some other department like librarian, you can type here. The scale is 17, qualifications is masters, date of retirement 13. This one is already calculated by the officers, so you have to put original data here. There are no chances of mistake. Contact number of office, contact number mobile, or you can call it personal mobile number. Simply, if there are more than one person, you can type unlimited persons here. This is the never ending page, but this video is getting longer, so our main aim is to teach you how you can make basic Performa in the Excel. So in this simple way you can make this election Performa in the Excel. So for example, same here, same method will be applied to this row and column. So I will end this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.